Hello, Jermaine. Welcome to my bedroom. Are you ready to come inside? So it was here that I had 3 different options in terms of colour palette and vibe. It was either Miami to suit the apartment, and I was thinking about a Wes Anderson red and pink, really poppy, or do we go the neutral tones and have it really calming? And so obviously I've chosen the calming space. This bedroom was actually the first room that I really got stuck into. I should just sand it. I'm gonna sand it. It was where I started painting really for the first time. I've got all these great ideas, but my execution doesn't tend to be as good. Oh, whoops. I forgot to sand off the old picture hole, so I'll do that first. We'll come back. There's also lots of paint drips everywhere, so room for improvement, to say the least. You know, really good tips. Don't close the door when you've just been painting. This I bought from like Facebook Marketplace, and this little old lady has like had it for 50 years and it's sat above her piano. This is like my Oscar de la Renta nightie that my friend found in the dumpster. The bed head is also from Facebook Marketplace. I asked the lady where she got it from and she actually got it commissioned, so there wouldn't be any others. This is like a one-off. Now, one of my most favorite pieces in the house is this bookshelf. It's actually from an old Gloria jeans and we're selling their stock. Then we've got the controversial Mission Brown architraves. I'm not sure I've got mum on side with it yet either.
I will never ever accept that one.
But I really love it. I think taping is actually my favourite part of the whole process. Not a fan of the sanding. Painting I'm enjoying, I just feel like I'm not very good at it. Tape I feel like I have a natural skill for. I invested in a really comfortable bed too. Loving the raw materials of bed linen that you see around these days. It just makes it such a comfortable sleep. A really good point for when you're limited on storage in a 1-bedroom apartment is this actually lifts up. So I can hide a whole heap of linen under there or excess stuff that you just don't need all the time. I actually think traditionally these look disgusting, but when I saw them in Savers, I just had a feeling that they were gonna match, and I think they look quite good. Literally getting into bed right now, and no, this is not my oatmeal bed spread. It's, oh God, actually the tarp and the they really blend in together. I'm a renovator. It's actually been so nice starting to just use my bedroom purely as a place to like relax and sleep, because for so many years when you're in share houses, you end up using your bedroom as a bit of a lounge room. Now, purely this place is a place where I come to sleep, relax, and it's really easily done once I've just got out of the bath. Well, love it or hate it, that's my bedroom. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what you had a reaction to. I'm gonna show you the bathroom next, but first, you need to go because I'm gonna have a bath.